Hello students, my UPSC class welcomes you, and today we are going to discuss this a very important news, and in this news we are going to discuss about why diplomatic boycott of the Beijing Winter Olympic is going to be held in 2022 and why just US is just opposing or like just boycotting their officials, and basically this is just known as diplomatic. Everything in this video we are going to discuss about this important trending dodge, and already for this total blog from starting to last I have published on our website www.myupscclass.com. You just go there and read blog, but after watching this complete video, this is like a very important point. So first of all, just tell me sir, why this in news? So this is like a very important point. The United States after USA now sir, they get support, or they got support from Australia, Britain and Canada also have declared a openly diplomatic boycott of Beijing Winter Olympic. And this is a very important, the word of diplomatic means sir, their athletes are allowed, but only no official diplomatics or from USA or from Australia or Britain and Canada, they will not go. So officials, government officials will not move to China next year. Only their like athletes will go. So this is like a basically just known as diplomatic boycott. So why diplomatic boycott of the Beijing Winter Olympic, and we will discuss and everything just below in a total article, and article just published there, but the main understanding point we are going to discuss here. First of all, starting of this topic, I just want to tell you the history of this boycott. What happens sir, so far we have 6 times these Olympic boycotts, and already in 19 last time in 1980 this boycott just started again by USA, and with the support of other countries also. More than 60 nations were denied to compete in Moscow held game. So games are just going to be happen in Russia in 1980, but USA also just with the help of 16 nations, they just denied to just part or just participated in Olympics in 1980. So this is like due to because of invasion of Afghanistan. So the war between this Russia and Afghanistan, due to that the basically just they denied for this participating in Olympics. So this is like a first case related to USA, but just after, okay, 6 times just already happened, but last time what happened, this is like a 5th time happen in history, and just after 4 years next year games in USA. Now sir, what happened sir, if in 1980 Russia just hosting this Olympic games and USA denied, what happened in 1984 USA hosting and Russia is just denied for these games. So last boycott happened in 1984. Before that sir, 1980. So what happened 1980 already just we have discussed. After that what happened in 1984, in counterattack of USA led by boycott of Moscow, or you can just say sir, Russia just like with the help of 14 nations denied to part in these all Olympics in 1984. So this is the main idea in history so far 6 times, and last 2 times is going to be very important because of in 1980 this is also very important. US just like denied for participated in this Russian Olympics. So this is the main important point just you need to just remember. But now just tell me sir, why did the USA just boycott or other countries just boycott this Winter Olympic 2022 is going to be in China? Why sir? In announcing the decision, Jen Psaki, the White House press secretary, mentioned that very important statement related to its genocide, crime against humanity in Xinjiang in Western China. So they just given this statement, and they just said this is like a basically crime or crime against humanity just going to happen in China, or like this is like running in China, in Western China. So that's why just we are opposing this. So and the Chinese government has cracked down severely on Uyghurs and other predominantly Muslim ethnic minorities in that region, including mass detentions and forced use like this contraceptions as well as like sterilizations. Related to this they just given this statement, and that's why just they're opposing. And also this is also very important, calls for the Olympic boycott sharpened after the Peng Shuai, a Chinese tennis star, accused a former top government officials of sexually assaulted her. So this is also like a one type of statement just they given. And what happened, reference to her accusation were quickly washed from the internet in China. So that's why just they're also telling you are just saving your this athletes, and this is just they done like something just like one type of sexual assaulting her, and due to that but government supporting them. So what happened, that's why just like they given number of reasons why they just opposing, or why does their bio get this winter Olympic 2022. So these are like a main reasons. And now sir USA they just come support with this different types of like other countries also, Australia, Britain and Canada also just supported, and they just like openly declared this boycott from this Chinese Olympic 2022 or winter Olympic. But sir, this is like important, this is like only diplomatic boycott. So what is the difference between boycott or boycott is only for diplomats? Diplomats means sir only government officials will not move to this, like their officials will not go to China next year, but their athlete players they are like for example sir, although the opposition between the nations may make the some of a hectic moment for the American delegations in Beijing, but American athletes are to travel to China and compete in their events as scheduled. So this is like a basically just not a, this is not completely boycott, this is only diplomatic boycott. So this is the main important point you just need to remember. This is like extra pressure or international pressure just want to put on China. So this is like a strategy of US, that's why just they are boycotting this Olympics. So this is like important points you need to just remember for your exam. Everything this total blog just I am providing one link is there in a video description, just go there and basically just read this blog now. What happened guys, every day we will publish like these tips of very important topic for your exam. So this is like an internationally very important topic for your exam. So we have just discussed and published a blog, and for same blog we have just created this video. So after watching this video, now you can just understand that blog, just read that blog from starting to last. This completes your basic news, this completes your very important point for your exam. So guys, this completes today's video. Just like this video and subscribe our channel, and definitely every day just we will do better to better for my needful and financial weak student. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.